Fun never stops here at the Loot's house. So today we're going to be trying something here. These are the taillights out of a 99 Civic. Usually I black out my taillights. Didn't think it would look good on the sedan because I'm going for a clean look. So I'm just going to go red. We got some VHT red. This is pretty much the same as the VHT black for the dark tint. Honestly, a lot of people are nervous to spray this stuff. It's pretty forgiving. It takes a lot to screw it up. A lot of people do recommend sanding the lights. Usually go by the can. You can do about 1,000 grit. You want to scuff it up. You don't want to gouge it too deep. Just kind of a polish maybe. You take this and give them a good wipe down. Make sure they're clean. And I did start this once before. We had a bit of an incident. The top blew off and I painted the wall pink. But 20 bucks a can here, so I wasn't too excited or eager to pick up another one for probably one-time use, but whatever, here we go. So now the bottom halves are red, but the top is orange, and then this one actually is white for the reverse lights on these ones. So you want to do light coats. I'm kind of going pretty aggressive on this because it's like 35 degrees out, so they'll cook on pretty quick. Just want to do a couple light coats like that. Obviously I'm going to want to focus more on the orange here just so I can get a darker look and get them all red. I mean, these are good shaped tail lights. They did have a bit of, I'd say almost grease and oil on them, so I had to give them a good prep wipe down with some soap. Pretty easy though. I'm just trying to match the orange with the red. Go at her, go nuts. If it's colder, you want to do lighter coats. Obviously 35 degrees, I'm going to go nuts with some heavy coats. 5 minutes we'll be done this bad boy, get them back in, and I guess enjoy the Civic. But thought I'd make a quick video, I guess. I don't know. Had a lot of people worried about tinting their taillights. A lot of people open them up in the oven, bake them, and split them, but it's not necessary. And obviously, if you don't take them out and it's on the car, just tape it off. Should be pretty easy. Sometimes if it's a huge color difference, like for example the white, if you're trying to get red, you could tape off the red and just focus more on the white parts to start getting them the color change. But I mean, up to you. It's not too bad, not too important. Like I said, it's pretty forgiving. Rattle cans, you just make sure you shake them up good and spray according to the temperatures and you're good to go. So good, bomb these and in a couple hours throw them on and see how they look. Tail lights looking beautiful. Oh, look at the sheen. When you do this, you do want to make sure you get the edges here. Wait a week, give them a polish, and they look beauty. I don't know why more people don't do this. Best looking thing ever.